What sub teams are you on?
Graphic design and internet media.
What school do you go to?
Fort Huron.
What grade are you in?
9th.
How many years have you been in robotics?
First year.
What is one of your favorite memories from robotics?
Kettering.
What do you like to do outside of robotics?
Photography.
What is one fun fact about yourself?
I'm antisocial, but social.
Okay, thank you. You're good.
My name's Sophie Tatro.
What sub teams are you on?
I'm primarily on build. I'm also a part of CAD and safety.
What high school do you attend?
I go to Port Huron Northern.
What grade are you in?
I'm in the 12th grade.
How many years have you been in robotics?
This will be my 3rd year.
What is one of your favorite memories from robotics?
I had a lot of fun one year we were assembling the gearboxes in build, and me and my friend Rory had grease all over our hands and we're dropping T-handles everywhere.
What do you like to do outside of robotics?
I am a costumes manager for my drama club. I play alto and soprano saxophone in my marching and concert band. I'm part of NHS. I do Husky Link orientation program and a couple other things.
So thank you for your time today. You are good.
Alright, what is your name?
Rory Smith,
What grade are you in?
11.
What are your plans for after high school?
Carpentry or engineering?
Nice. What sub teams are you on?
Build.
What inspired you to be on build?
I like mechanical stuff.
What school do you attend?
Fort Huron High School.
How many years have you been in robotics?
This will be my 3rd year.
What is one of your favorite memories from robotics?
Dropping the greasy T-handles the first year I joined.
Sounds very fun. What do you do outside of robotics?
Build random stuff or ride around
Where do you usually ride around at?
the town.
What do you like to build outside of robotics?
Stuff.
Alright, what's one random fun fact about you?
I'm double jointed. Sure.
Alright, thank you for your time.